bullying. It's not nice. Being mean to others, it's not right. Online, the playground, even in the street, several times on purpose, you'll feel the heat.
That's bullying.
Reach out.
Break bullying.
Reach out.
No bullying.
Reach out.
Stop bullying.
Reach out.
If it happens to you, you will know. Disrespect, it ruins your flow. Don't bow down, don't spoil your day. Just be strong and walk away.
That's bullying.
Reach out.
Break bullying.
Reach out.
No bullying.
Reach out.
Stop bullying.
Woo! Reach out.
Spot it, sort it, help each other out. Look after others, there's no doubt. It's the best way.
Hey, hold up, because we know good people. Stand up, that's bullying.
Reach out.
Break bullying.
Reach out.
No bullying.
Reach out.
Stop bullying.
Reach out.
Reaching out, well, what does that mean? Talk to each other
And be seen.
These trusted adults, they will help you out if you're feeling down.
Be strong, reach out.